Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss about more harmfulness of microorganism, and in previous turn we have already discussed what are the disease causing microorganism. Disease causing microorganism are known as pathogens. Today we have discussed what are disease causing microorganism in animals. Several microorganisms not only cause disease in human and plants but also in other animals. For example, in cattle, anthrax is caused by a bacterium, where foot and mouth disease of cattle is caused by virus. Microbes that cause disease in plants. Several bacteria, viruses and fungi cause disease in crop plants, vegetable and fruit plants. Bacterial disease of plants are: first is blight of rice. It causes pale green lesions on the paddy leaves. What are the lesions? Lesions are the small opening that is known as lesions. Second disease is citrus canker. Citrus canker causes lesions on the citrus fruits. Children, do you know what is a citrus fruits? Like oranges, lemons, these are the citrus fruit, and this bacteria causes lesions on the citrus fruit like oranges and their leaves. Next category is viral disease of plants. First disease is tobacco mosaic disease. It is caused by tobacco mosaic virus in tobacco plant. Second disease is mosaic disease of mustard, cabbage and cauliflower. And third disease is yellow vein mosaic of bhindi, is also caused by a virus. Another disease which is known as leaf curl of cotton and bean and leaf roll of the tomato. Third category we have to describe against the fungal disease of the plants. The fungal disease of the plants are potato blight disease in potato plants. Second is mildew in grapes, gooseberries, seasonal flowering plants and roses. And third is rust and smut in wheat. Microbial disease in plants are spread by air or by seed. They cause great loss to the food production, and these diseases can be controlled by spraying certain antibacterial or antifungal chemicals which kill the microbes. Children, another disease that is caused by bacteria and fungi. These bacteria and fungi, when grow on the cooked food, it causes food poisoning. Certain microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi grow on cooked food kept for long run or stored. Microorganisms that grow on our food sometimes produce like toxic substance. These make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death, as the consumption of spoiled food causes vomiting, diarrhea and headache. Now we have to describe differentiate between algae and fungi. First we have to discuss what are the algae. Algae contain green pigment. Algae are single celled. Algae are autotrophic in nature, whereas fungi do not contain green pigment. Fungi are generally multicellular except yeast, and fungi are parasitic or saprophytic in nature. Another difference which is found between what are the difference between bacteria and viruses. Make one thing very clear, there is a vast difference between bacteria and viruses. Bacteria are two types, that is aerobic bacteria and anaerobic bacteria. Most bacteria cannot make their own food, as they obtain their food from body of some other organism called parasite, whereas viruses are smallest and most primitive acellular organism. What do you mean by the term acellular? That is without cell. They can be multiplied only inside the cell of the host organism, which can be bacterium, plant or animal cells.